Hello guys, it's good to have you guys here again. Thank you very much for clicking to check out this video. Just wait for a couple of seconds and you get the gist out of this. I have been teaching entrepreneurs, startup founders, students how to build mobile and web applications without writing codes. I have been teaching for the past 8 months. Yeah, I've been teaching for free. And I've also been, working on some things for some clients. But I started thinking about it. What is the purpose of having a skill without having to really, try to make money out of it? And that's why I decided to create a more detailed course that will show you how to build a mobile applications without writing code using FlutterFlow. And meanwhile, I hope you already know that I'm a FlutterFlow ambassador and I know what I'm saying, okay? All right, so I created a course, a very interesting course that will show you how to build a grocery shopping application with this beautiful UI that you see here. And then, of course, full credit to the person who worked on this UIUX design. Okay, so I'm like super excited about this because this is like my very first paid course. I have been providing lots of free content on no code development here on YouTube, and I just decided to create at least one paid course so I could generate some revenue out of my skills. Isn't that fun? Okay, so I have put together a complete tutorial that will show you how to build a grocery shopping e-commerce mobile application. And while going through this particular course, it's a paid course. While going through this course, you're going to learn a whole lot of things that I haven't shown before in my free content here on YouTube. You're going to learn how to, manipulate some UI designs here, right? So you can see how beautiful this is. You see how nicely done this looks, and then you get to learn way more things than you've actually seen me do here on YouTube, and then I'm doing it step by step. Okay, so one of the things that I would like to also mention here is that this is not just going to be a paid course where you just go ahead and watch all the tutorials and do what I'm doing. Well, that one is there. One of the other extra benefits of actually getting this course is that you get the link to clone the application that I have built for free, and then you can use it to build your business. Yes, that's exactly true. So I will be showing you how the application works, and then towards the end of this video I will just tell you about the cost of getting the course and how you can go about getting it. Okay, so quickly, what you just need to see here is the application. This is the application that I have built completely with FlutterFlow, and then with this application you have your database in Firebase, right? So all your database is here in Firebase, and then I've set up the Firestore database. I've set up the storage, and then I have done like lots of beautiful things here, which I will, of course, you will get to see it when you get the clonable link, all right? And then you can use this to kickstart your business. It's an e-commerce application, so although it's originally for like a grocery kind of business, but you can always customize it to fit your own kind of business, and that's the beautiful part of what we're doing here. So this is the application. Users are just going to log into the application, and then they will get to like see maybe recommended products. All right, this is like a recommended item, for instance, and then or they can just go ahead and click on these and then see the recommended item. They see the price. They even also get to see how far the company that is selling this product is from them, right? So that means inside the course you get to learn how to calculate distance between your user and another place, be it like the merchant or maybe the delivery person, for instance. Okay, so you get to learn a lot of things from this particular course, and then actually the user can just go ahead and click here to add the this particular product to cart, and you see the number changes here. So now you can actually get to see the cart, and you can also just delete it. All right, so you can actually click here to delete it, and then, well, let's just go ahead and add it again. Why not? Then you can continue shopping, and maybe go to category screen, see like the part where you can select a particular product, and then maybe just click on these, and then maybe add this to cart, right? That's the second item. And then you can go ahead and then maybe just go back, maybe add fish, right? So there's a goldfish here. So you can just add it to your cart. And that's about it. We have like 3 items now, and then we can go ahead and just check out here. So one of the beautiful thing is that you can actually go ahead and add like a delivery address in the application. So you can just click here to add a delivery application. Let's say 118 Nelson Mandela Street, maybe United States. Okay, then you can select that this is going to be maybe this was office, this can be home, and then you can click on that, and there you go. All right, so these are like your delivery addresses. Okay, so you can go ahead and then start making payment, click to make payment, and then payment is being processed by Stripes. Yes, you guessed correctly. So now we can just go ahead and then get the test cards to make payment. All right, so I'm just going to quickly open the page to copy the test card details, and then later on we will also see the successful payment detail here. Okay, so so we're trying to just, I don't know why this is taking some time. Just be patient. We're going to see the test cards here. It's taking some time to actually load. Okay, so let's just copy test card for Visa. Then we can go ahead and then just click here and paste. All right, then we can just use the date in the future. Okay, and then we click to pay $112. This is directly from from Stripe, right? So that's what we're using to process payment. I hope I didn't say a different thing. I feel like I said a different payment gateway. Okay, if I said that, my bad. All right, so now payment has been done successfully, so we can click to go home. And then now our cart is empty. We can go ahead and click here for more, click on orders, and then we can see all our orders here, right? So these items were bought at the same time, and this one was bought at different times. So we can just click on this, and then maybe just click to track our order. We can just get to see some few details here. And then you can actually go ahead and learn like way too much from just going through these application. All right, you get to see how you can change your subscription plan from Spark to Blaze plan, of course, because you need to be able to change your plan here on Firebase from Spark to Blaze, so that you can actually go ahead and start getting cloud functions running in your application, right? So I will show you how to do a whole lot of things, from converting the UI UX designs that are found here into your application, to creating the backend for the application, and even much more. All right, so later in the course you're going to get to learn how to you can actually go ahead and then connect your application here to GitHub, and then even submit the code there, right? So you can commit your code to GitHub repository, and then even have your data there. Maybe view the code, download APK. You can also even deploy it to the web, and lots of other things that you're going to learn in this course. Now, most of the things that are here, a lot of things that are here in this course, I don't actually have them yet on my YouTube channel. Okay, so this is like a huge opportunity for you to get this course. Now, how can you get this course? I know you're asking that. How can you get this course? You can actually get this course by going to our seller. Let's say go to seller. All right, so you're going to check the link under this video, and you will see, check the description under this video, okay? And then you will see the link to access these product here. So you can go ahead and then click buy now and make payments to get the application. All right, not just getting the application, you get the full course, and then you also get the the clone link for the application. All right, and then after you've made payment, actually I will add you to our WhatsApp group so you can actually go ahead and then experience the course and begin your career, like your core career in software development. Okay guys, so I believe that you're super excited about these, and you're going to go ahead and then check out the course and buy it. This is like my very first paid course, and I'm like super excited about it, and I can't wait to have you get access to the course and begin building different applications for your business and understanding how to build something like super tangible with FlutterFlow. Okay guys, I would like to hear your comments. I would like to receive your mails about the course, and just let me know what you think about the course. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and then of course like this video, drop some comments for me and I will respond to them. And thank you very much for the massive support. Let's keep doing this. Okay guys, see you in our WhatsApp group where we talk more about this particular course. Take care.